Today is one of those rainy days. I put Zeus's new coat on him from a Guy in a Golden. And Zeus is about 66 pounds, and his coat is an extra large. And as you can see, he knows how far on the deck to go to where he's not going to get wet. It's another rainy day here in Pennsylvania. Zeus, do you like your new coat? And as you can hear, all the birds that are all around. What do you think? What do you think? You like your coat? What? You weren't happy with any of the other ones I've gotten you in the past. Sit down. What's the matter? Your head's wet. Let's put up your hood. How's that? Then you can't see. He came out the door and he couldn't see. It was so cute. You can't see again. Poor dog. Come here. Let me move it off of your head a little bit. There you go. Well, today's a very breezy, cool day again. What do you think, Zeus? It fits him perfectly. It's got its own little decorative pockets, but they're not actual pockets. It's a good quality, so if you're going to get one, go to a Guy in a Golden and order one. And as you can see how it is raining here, but all the birds are chirping. They're in that tree. I believe there's a nest in there. And my plants aren't looking so great. I think the frost got them. And all in the ground I planted hummingbird and butterfly seeds. So they will come up eventually. I haven't done much recording. This is the first time at the new house that I am recording stuff. And these I found on Red Tag Ricky, the solar lights. They are great for coming in the house, and I had some left over from my old house. And the neighbor's daughter wanted to know what kind of tree this was because it stayed green all winter long. Little did she know until we told her it was artificial. And I think these are all rhododendrons, if I'm correct. Because they're all starting to bloom, and I think those might be raspberries. Because it looks like there's berries starting to grow on them. And I think all my bushes are going to be purple. And this one I think is a bridal bouquet. My dad used to have this in the front of the house that I grew up in. And these are my pansies. I'm not sure how they're going to come out. And I think there's violets in there also. And here's more of my bushes that are blooming. As you can tell, I have a very big front yard. What's the matter, Zeus? What's the matter, buddy? You can't see? Is that okay now? Yeah. Here's the rest of all of my flowering bushes. And there's an ugly bush in the corner. I don't know what that is all the way over on the other side of the trailer. But that thing is wicked when you hit it with your vehicle and it scratches horribly. So is she waiting to go in? You waiting to go in? Yeah. And as you can see, the city of Scranton is being inundated with fog and rain. And all the way up there where the trees are is the Pennsylvania Turnpike. And I don't see a lot of truckers today. I know it's Saturday, but at times it is so busy. So it's just a little bit of an update. And as you saw where my Jeep was, I had one driveway, and this is my second driveway. And multiple birds. And this is my deck. I cannot wait to get the lounge chairs out and move all of my wicker stuff over and enjoy the sunshine. And Mr. Zeus will be out here too. I have one of those Coolaroo kind of platform mats for him, and he loves to lay on that in the sun. What do you think? Do you like your new coat? Yeah? We're not going out in the rain. It's awful damp. You hear the birdies? I don't think he's too impressed with the birds. He doesn't like when the deer show up. Now he knows when the skunk is around because we'll smell it. He'll hurry up, do his business, and then go back in the house. What do you think, bud? What do you think? You're waiting to go in the house? Yeah? Why don't you sit down? You can sit out for a little bit even though it's raining. Sit down. He's such a good dog. He's my best friend. I used to dream of being outside and just sitting out listening to the rain. Now I have that opportunity without getting wet. So today is Saturday. It's the day before Mother's Day. So I want to wish all the mothers out there a happy Mother's Day. Now I have to admit, Zeus is staying out here longer than he's usually staying out. I at least got a chance to do a video to give you a little bit of our rainy day weather here. It's been raining pretty much every day. So if you would like and subscribe and share my videos, I would appreciate it. Till next time, have a great day.